Look how it's too big. Mm.
He's the one. The one in the city before the city is inside the building. This is the mosque.
We are in Carwin.
You must
Go to your father.
You must give him
Go to your father. I cannot go inside there.
There is chair. What kind of chair?
We are in Carwin. Mag-wudo ako kasi magdadasal ako ng door sa loob ng mosque.
Oh, you should from here you go there. You must put dinner also inside the
Magwuwudo ako kasi magdadasal ako sa loob ng mosque in Carwin. Yan ang mosque sa likod niyan. Dahil yung bag ko, kahit saan ako magpunta, dala-dala ko yung pagpilay ko kasi nagwuwudo ako. Bismillah.
Just leave it. Don't take it, touching it. It will work by itself. And it will close by itself. There is sleeper there. Okay, hold the phone. I'm going to go to toilet.
Yung camera woman ko, nagbanyo.
Camera ka shit.
Kaya ako kahit saan magdadala, kahit saan ako pupunta, dala-dala ko yung pangkilay ko, yung gel. Kasi nagwawash ako ng face, nagwuwudo. Naghihintay lang yung asawa ko sa labas, tumawag na. So, ayan, magdadasal na kami, tumatawag na. Yani, we pray the Sabah, 2 raka only, because Duhur not yet. This is Carwin Mosque. Look how it's too big. There is in the car. There is water in the car. Ay, yung asawa ko tumatawag na. Magdadasal kami ng asawa ko. Nakagayak na rin ako.
طلع شوية أمك وأبوك صليهم تلاليه. هي هكا حشمة شوية هكا.
Yakaw. Yes. She told me, come. She will show me something. What's that? Ah, where are you going? Okay, only this. You're going to show me. Come here. Come, 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 come.
So come. Show them that way.
Ay, go there. Take me a video.
Okay.
Come.
Go. Go. Go finish it. Go finish up. Go check. We'll see if you understand. What's that?
I don't read Arabic.
That's not Arab.
No.
Ay. Come.
The food, I want you to eat up to them, not up to me. You don't get people money, not to me. All of these things I want to fight with them. Sometimes I will do it.
City of Macrood. The city of Macrood.